Welcome to What's New in Advanced Installer, a rapid product overview. We have 3 user interface page updates, 1 package definition update, and 1 requirements page update to share today. Let's dive in. First up, we have the WinUI 2 support in Embedded UI available in the Professional Edition and part of the user interface page. The MSI Embedded UI allows modern UI creation directly within MSI installers, eliminating the need for exe packages solely for UI purposes and replacing outdated UI components with modern alternatives. In this version, we included features like animated icons for checkboxes, a modern WebView control, and updated edit control styles aligned with contemporary UI design standards. With this update, tech professionals can create visually appealing MSI installation packages without the need for exe packages. Next, we have a change in the default component policy for creating registries when importing prepackaging files available in the Architect Edition under the package definition page. Advanced Installer now creates a single component for each registry key instead of individual components for each value. This change means fewer components, quicker installation times, and faster repackaging imports. In the previous version, importing a repackager file created 12,000 components, as seen in the component editor table. Starting with version 21.8, the default component policy has been updated to create a single component for each registry key. As a result, when we check the component editor table in version 21.8, we see only 7,000 components created instead of 12,000. For our international users, we've updated the Korean translation in the Professional Edition under the user interface page. This feature allows users to easily translate any installer string into their desired language, ensuring a smoother installation experience for Korean-speaking users. This can help reduce support costs since the installer is in the user's native language, making it easier for them to understand and use. In the Architect Edition, we've simplified the report when importing RPK files under the left menu. This feature automatically hides unnecessary left pane entries for projects generated from a repackager session, making navigation more efficient. Lastly, we improved the UI level command line fields under the requirements page. These improvements help you navigate the command line fields past the prerequisites more easily, ensuring a clearer and more efficient setup process. Thank you for watching, and we hope these new features and improvements enhance your experience with Advanced Installer. For more details, visit our website or check out our additional resources linked below. Stay tuned for more updates and happy installing!